The service offering has also, like many other parts of the business, it has evolved and taken a much more clear and defined shape over the years. So I would club them into two categories. The one is a consulting leg within the business. We do have the capability to provide a full set of typical mining consulting services, being geological work, exploration, drilling, interpretation, modeling of the geologies. Once you understand the geology, we can assist with mine design work. Once the mine designs are done, we can do the scheduling, optimization strategies, and ultimately it culminates in a financial model and then a calculation of returns, net present values, and the like, which influence investor decisions. But I think the important differentiating factor is two things. We are not a consulting company per se. We're a mining company. So our business is to mine. Yet when we've done the consulting work, we've taken the project and our own understanding of it so far down the track that it only makes logical sense that we should migrate into the execution phase. And clients like that, because in my corporate days in the mining industry, and like I said, I was privileged to lead a number of very, very good, solid, long life mining companies. Some were listed entities, some were private. We were many times caught up in that battle between the contractor and the consultant, and the client is stuck in the middle. The consultant blames the contractor or vice versa, but at the end of the day, the client's mine is not getting its problems addressed. So we wanted to bridge that gap, to say once we have done all of the homework, we are willing to sign next to the budget, and then we are happy to go and execute as well. So with that said, as sort of the umbrella of services that we provide, we specifically try and aim that at the small and micro scale mining side of the market, though we have capability to take on projects for existing large mining houses, the typical contract mining work. It's not something that we would mind to do, but our focus is obviously on the small and micro scale mining sector, that too on the continent, not specifically necessarily South Africa, very much so in SADC, our neighbors, and as far north as what the opportunities go. We also do mineral processing, but limited to only a select few minerals, so gold, chrome and coal. We have capacity, either ourselves or through long-standing business associates, strategic partners in our company, that we can provide a processing solution as well. So in short, we can take somebody from the point where they suspect that they might have mineralization on their land, be it coal, chrome, platinum, doesn't matter, and we can literally take hands at that point. If everything keeps checking out, we could get to a point where we have an operational mine. If it is those commodities that we process, we could process them as well. Once the mine's life is over, we handle the rehabilitation as well. But with a very strong focus on small scale, micro scale mining, specifically in Africa, specifically gold. Those are our preferences, though we can provide it across the spectrum, of course.